everyone, my name's Ashley and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Dress to Jet. I just wanted to film a quick intro video, say hello, introduce myself, and kind of let you know what you can expect from the channel in the future. The name, Dress to Jet, is kind of a blend of my love of fashion and travel, so those two topics will be dealt with separately, but also blended a lot here. What can you expect? What kind of topics and videos can you expect from the channel? Vintage style. Of all the different aspects of my style, vintage style is my true love. It's the one that I believe really expresses me the best. It's the one I'm most passionate about, so that's a big one. Vintage style, there'll be a lot on this channel about vintage style, so that's something to stick around for if you're interested in that. Outfit vlogging, if I have something to go to, then I want to really put an outfit together for it. I will show you what I'm wearing, why, and take you with me to the event and show off what I've got going on. Some other topics you can expect are thrifting. I love going to a thrift store and finding those unique items that no one else really is walking around with. This being an example. Isn't this gorgeous? This is from Goodwill. So haul videos and taking you with me to the thrift store. Travel vlogging, that would include actual vlogging on the trip, packing videos, outfit planning, everything that goes into that. I really enjoy doing that stuff, just by myself. So I think sharing that is helpful. And also the last thing is vegan fashion. I am a vegan, and as many people know, veganism extends far past just what you put in your body as food. It's a lifestyle. So I will kind of be addressing where veganism comes into my fashion choices, where I buy it, what I don't buy. So that'll be part of this channel as well. But I just wanted to say a quick hello and let you know what's going to be coming in the future. So hope to see you soon. Bye.